Are we using the same gun?
Is that an MK18?
Is it? No, I don't think.
Depends on if
What?
it's an
Wait,
MK18 or not.
sight should I use?
Why did he kill himself?
You guys do know I have my laser on, so if you see laser, it's me.
No way, I sniped a guy. I was back by the flippin' van at the spawn and I shot a guy from the other side of the map.
It's me.
He was my teammate. I'm so sorry.
That wasn't necessary.
You know, that was really me sniping me from like 150 meters away.
Got eyes on a target! They're walking.
That was a W shot, but still, why were you bragging about team killing? Look at it. Two? You fuck everything up.
Awesome shot, dude.
Send me.
I've got eyes on a target!
Killed the target. Smash, dude, but... Come on!
Nope.
Shit.
Clear.
Okay, clearing this. One here.
Definitely should use different
Dead.
than my
Three on
fire.
staircase. Got him.
Clear
He's
up
gonna
here.
surrender, but it's okay.
Bro, the funny part was I heard you bragging about sniping somebody 150 meters, and at first I was happy for you.
And then you realized it was
But then I realized you sniped me.
I didn't even realize I shot you. I just saw somebody in black and I shot one shot and I ended up killing
Hey,
him.
Oh, fucker. I'm down. You want to grab me by the shoulder and drag me? I have eyes on the building.
Eyes on possible HVT.
Alright, let's button this up and get you
Yep.
folks home.
It was
Red
him.
smoke at your elbow.
Eject out of this. Eject out of this.
That's the building.
Where I heard one that way.
Up here.
open fire!
Oh shoot! Hey, I'm scared. Watch out, there's two.
Someone comes to my door. I was dropped and I see Keep Track. It's on the right corner. They're on my... I'm all ready. I'm ready.
Starting Xville now.
We have eyes on your team at the LZ. You're right home.
Drop.
Shot one of the drivers. Shot the driver. The shooter.
Took out the gunner. Took the truck out.
Seconds.